Old homeowner said she wanted to be able to dim it down low, so gave her what she wanted. To be warm, I want to go potty, and I want to take a shower all at the same time. You need to learn how to find a stud. Ain't got to look far. I'm sitting right here. Dad joke of the year. Oh, you voting for him? What you going to want to do is take off running down this hallway and go through them doors. Boss, are you sure this is going to hold us? It's going to hold us till it don't. Where the hell you go? I'll just be out in the hallway showering if you need me. But people can see you. I just realized that the panic bar's on the outside of this door. Buddy, you going to be getting shoveled off the concrete before you ever need that panic bar. Had to have a parachute. Yes, sir. I'm looking to get a price on a dungeon bathroom with an arch ceiling, maybe tile 3/4 of the way up the wall. Oh, and one you want to turn around and have to back all the way down. With you. This is amazing. Let's use your good eye next time. Hey, boss, where these stairs lead to? Loneliness and depression. Hop up in here for a minute. Let me talk to you. Well, I'm sorry, sir. We only let 3 different size people in here.
Alright, this area looks a little sus. I've never done this.
Classic. Found it. Go ahead, though.
I like how he marked it, too. I've never done this.
an artist. Yeah. Are you good at it?